We had one a few days ago and it sold instantly, and this will be the exact same. So 2026, 26 registration Ford Transit MSRT, and what a difference that makes. The styling of it on the exterior and the interior puts a whole new twist to a van. But then this has got delivery miles, literally 174 miles, it's 2-litre diesel, it's automatic, but the most important part, put to one side the looks, is its long wheelbase, and that makes a massive difference. It's also a crew cab, so it's 5-seater. Now, being the new model Ford Transit, you've got that great detailing from the factory, the new stylish headlights with the LED daytime running lights. This obviously has lots of MSRT badging, the huge grille, the big bumpers with all the black styling, front rear parking sensors, and then you've got the 19-inch MSRT upgraded wheels. The black styling continues here, here, down below, and then you've got the sun protection glass. But take a look inside. This is no ordinary van. It's got this huge infotainment screen, which is all touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats and heated steering wheel. And that steering wheel, nice and chunky, sporty, with a 12 o'clock marker and flat bottom as well. You've then got cup holders all the way around the vehicle. And but one more time, look at the seats. This is not ordinary seats with some blue stitching. It's got that beautiful MSRT one-piece headrest, nice bucket styling, all the adjustments, and you have the armrests as well. But then that continues in the back because you have that lovely soft leather which is here, all the blue styling again, the fully fitted mat, and right behind that you've got the bulkhead. These things are called grab handles, and you will use it to get in and out of the van. And having sliders on both sides means it's easy to use, because sometimes if you're in the city centre and the traffic is busy, you don't really want to be coming out one side of it because it's not ideal. The MSRT continues around the arches with the extended version, top spoiler, rear bumper, and then this car has got from the factory an electric deployable tow bar, which will be very useful. The MSRT rear bumper is special as well. Like I said a million times, just because it's a van, it doesn't need to be just okay. Why can't it be the best? Why can't it be special? And that's where you get here. In the vans, you get two types of tailgate. You get the barn door version, which open like this, and then you get the tail lift version, which is this version here. Reversing camera system, and then there you go. You've got the bulkhead, you've got LED lights in there, it's fully ply-lined, not ply-lined, it's plastic already, it's ready to go, and then you can do what you want to do with it, put shelves in it, etc, etc. I just think it's amazing. It really is. 174 miles on it, MSRT, 2-litre diesel, long wheelbase, in frozen white. The car is absolutely stunning. If you like it, give me a call, drop me a text on WhatsApp, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you, bye-bye now.